All right, let's talk about the brand new 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport. For a while now, Honda's been slapping the TrailSport badge on its SUVs, but it often felt more like an appearance package than a real capability upgrade. So the big question with this all-new Passport is it finally the real deal? Is this the rugged, trail-ready machine Honda promises? Or is it just another commuter SUV playing dress-up in hiking boots? Let's dive in. First off, you gotta admit, it looks the part. The 2026 Passport finally gets its own unique, blocky, and tough-looking body, totally separate from its three-row Pilot sibling. The TrailSport trim takes that and dials it up with retuned shocks and springs, a softer front anti-roll bar for better articulation, and legit 31-inch General Grabber all-terrain tires. They didn't stop there. You get actual underbody skid plates, bright orange recovery hooks up front, and a proper trailer hitch. This isn't just stickers and plastic cladding anymore. Under the hood, things get a little interesting. Honda gave it a new 3.5-liter V6. It's got a more modern double overhead cam design, and it's paired with a new 10-speed automatic. The problem? It only makes 5 more horsepower than the old engine for a total of 285, and the exact same 262 pound-feet of torque. In the real world, it feels just like the old engine. It needs to be revved high to make power, which means the 10-speed transmission is constantly shifting just to keep you moving around town. Now for the part that might be a tough pill to swallow. This new Passport is heavy. We're talking nearly 500 pounds heavier than the last-gen model. That weight gain, combined with an engine that needs high revs, means it's slower. A lot slower. The 0 to 60 time is 7.7 seconds. That's a full 1.6 seconds slower than the old, lighter TrailSport. It's even slower than its rivals like the Grand Cherokee V6 and the new 4Runner Hybrid. So, if you're looking for a stoplight warrior, this ain't it. But hold on, because the story completely flips when you stop focusing on speed and start focusing on the ride. On the road, this thing is fantastic. You'd think those beefy all-terrain tires would be noisy and harsh, but they actually make the ride more comfortable over broken pavement and potholes. The softened suspension adds a bit of body roll, but for daily driving on real-world, imperfect roads, the ride quality is a huge improvement. It just soaks everything up. And hey, if you appreciate reviews that go beyond the spec sheets to tell you what a vehicle is actually like to live with, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about these real-world deep dives. So it's comfortable on the street, but can it actually go off-road? The answer is a surprising yes. That IVTM4 all-wheel drive system is legit. It can send the majority of power to a single rear wheel, which helps it scramble over obstacles even when a tire is lifted off the ground. The extra suspension articulation helps, and the ride over rocks and ruts is impressively smooth for a unibody SUV. It has different drive modes like trail and sand that really do make a difference, and the top-tier Elite trim gets an awesome 360-degree camera system called Trail Watch that gives you a view of your front tires, making it super easy to place the vehicle perfectly on tricky sections. So, what's the final word? The 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport isn't the fastest SUV in its class, not by a long shot, but it might be one of the best balanced. It's a genuinely comfortable and practical daily driver that doesn't punish you for its off-road hardware. In fact, that hardware makes it better on the street. It's spacious, packed with utility, and when the pavement ends, it has the chops to keep going with confidence. It's the most successful and well-executed TrailSport model Honda has made yet. For more honest reviews that cut through the marketing hype and tell you how these machines actually perform in the real world, you need to be subscribed to this channel. We dig deep to find the truth, and you won't want to miss what we test next.